All right, so for this problem, we're going to use chain rule again. Again, the notation for chain rule can be a little bit confusing at times because we need to figure out which function is the outside and the inside. So I'm going to use highlighter to try to make it a little bit more obvious. So right here, this portion is going to be our inside function, meaning that our outside function is going to be e to some exponent, or e to the x. So technically, it is most correct to say that the outside function is e to the x, but I'm actually going to just use highlighter because it'll be easier to see kind of where things need to be plugged in. Okay, if I take the derivative of an exponential function, I'm going to get the same exact exponential function if there's only a variable in the exponent. Now my inside function here is going to be the part that I actually highlighted. So that's that -2 x to the third. And the derivative of that, I'm going to multiply by the exponent. So -2 times 3 is -6. And then reduce that exponent by 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, now to plug this in, I'm going to use the chain rule. So I'm going to use f prime right here. So I'm going to use e to whatever the inside function was, and then multiply that by the derivative of the inside function. So I'm going to multiply it by -6x squared. So it's basically the derivative of the outside function times the derivative of the inside function. And then this portion still stays the same in here. So I'm going to put this back in here. Now, when I actually want to write it out, just by convention, people usually write these parts first. So I'm going to have my final answer is going to be -6x squared e to the -2x cubed.